We're at the supermarket.
This place is very big.
We need milk and bread.
Can I push the cart, Mom?
Yes, you can help me. I see many yellow bananas.
1, 2, 3 bananas.
Now we need some apples.
The red apples are high up.
I will take 4 apples.
I want a box of cereal.
Wait for me, Toby.
I see the blue box. I can reach it myself. I am almost there. It is very heavy. Oh no! Stop moving! Wait, no! Everything is on the floor. The cereal is everywhere.
Toby, what happened?
Is everyone okay here?
I am sorry. I pulled it.
This is a big mess.
I am in trouble now. I feel very scared. I feel very sad. Mom! I am a bad boy today.
I feel unhappy too, Toby.
Nobody likes a mess.
Do not cry, little boy.
I feel very embarrassed.
It is okay to feel sad.
Let's fix this problem.
Listen to me, Toby. The shelf is too high. Rule 1. Do not climb. Rule 2. Ask for help.
I cannot reach it safely.
I have a tall ladder. I can help you always.
Be careful in the shop. These boxes are dangerous.
I will ask you next time.
Please do not pull things.
This is a good rule.
I understand the rules. Workers are helpers. I am sorry, Mr. Worker. I am sorry, Mom. It is my fault. I will fix it now.
Put the boxers here. Toby.
I am helping you now.
We will all help together.
I will not do it again. The mess is gone now. I am a good helper now.
You fixed your mistake.
I am a better boy now.
We're almost finished. We have everything now.
Can I have this, Mom? I am asking first now.
Yes, you asked nicely.
I am following the rules.
Good job today, Toby.
I feel very happy now.
I am proud of you. Let's go home and eat.
Goodbye, supermarket. I like shopping with Mom.
Excellent work. You finished the story of Toby at the supermarket. Now, let's look at our new vocabulary. Places and things. Supermarket. A place to buy food. Example. We buy food at the supermarket. Aisle. A walkway between shelves. Example. I walk down the aisle. Shelf. A place where we put food or boxes. Example. The cereal is on the shelf. Cereal. A breakfast food in a box. Example. I eat cereal in the morning. Actions. Push. To move the cart forward. Example. I push the shopping cart. Reach. To stretch your arm up high. Example. I reach for the cereal. Ask for help. To say you need help. Example. I ask the worker for help. Fix. To make something better again. Example. I fix my mistake. Emotions. Worried. Feeling scared about a problem. Example. I feel worried about the price. Embarrassed. Feeling shy after a mistake. Example. I feel embarrassed after I drop the box. Proud. Feeling very good about yourself. Example. I feel proud of myself. You are a great student. Practice these words, and I will see you in the next story. Goodbye.